Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to put digital creator on Facebook profile and is it available to anyone who has Facebook account. So first, you just have to launch your Facebook application and what you're going to do here is to tap this three lines at the top right corner and then click help and support. Go to help center and then here you have to search for digital creator. Go to the search icon here and type digital creator. Tap the very first one that will appear. Now you have to scroll down till you see access creator support from Facebook. So you just have to scroll down and this is what it looks like. So tap this. Now all you have to do is just simply look and read this one. As you can see, this feature is only available to some people right now. So, unfortunately, if you can't see this digital creator option on your Facebook, it means that it's not yet available in your country or region. So, the best thing to do here is to wait till it's available. So, as you can see, not all Facebook users have access to digital creator. Lucky you if you have or if you can access this feature, but like me, we have to wait for a couple of days, months, years till this option or feature to be available in our country. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.